Shiba Inu coin price action is finally showing some green days. Now, I know that it comes after a very large red day, but it's actually interesting. Shiba Inu coin over the last 2 days here has been posting some green candles as Bitcoin has been posting some red candles. So I don't know if we're moving into a phase where Bitcoin dominance is going to be falling and altcoins and meme coins are going to be rising. But what I do know is what I see, and I see red candles on Bitcoin, and I see green candles on Shiba Inu coin, which is a good sign that we may have bottomed. Another sign that we may have bottomed is the fact that we've got inflows skyrocketing 206% as the Shiba Inu coin price is finally flipping green. We're going to go over these numbers in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we've got some good news for Shiba Inu coin, so let's jump right into it. It says the dog-themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu coin is back in the spotlight as its large holder inflows surged by a staggering 206%, signaling renewed investor interest. Large holder inflows, which track the funds entering the Shiba Inu coin whale addresses, have surged 206% this week, skyrocketing to 975. Dude, I wish I had 975 billion Shiba Inu coin. That is, I mean, it's crazy how much these whales are able to accumulate. And guys, they're able to accumulate that much Shiba Inu coin on the dip. Think about that. The Fear and Greed Index right now is the lowest level that it has been. It's at a level of 26, both on CoinMarketCap and CoinStats here. Only one time in history, and that's in September, in history that they show you, has it been at a level of 26. We are at the lowest levels that we have seen. But the whales are accumulating more than ever before. We've got to follow that. We've got to understand that these guys, these whales, they become whales because they accumulate on such declines when others are fearful. And of course, they're going to sell when others are greedy. It says this spike in whale inflows coincides with SHIB's pricing turning green after yesterday's massive sell-off, which saw over $1.4 billion wiped out in liquidations across the crypto market. That's crazy. That's just liquidations. That's not how much we saw wiped out in the overall market cap. I think it was like $200 billion in wealth that we saw wiped out. $1.4 billion in liquidations means that those that have leverage trades open had those trades liquidated. They were long, and of course, I don't know if they were using 10, 28. That doesn't matter. But they were long on leverage, and the market makers went out there and closed their trades. $1.4 billion is a lot to have liquidated in a single day. It says Bitcoin neared $89,000 in early Wednesday's session, up from a 24-hour low of $86,000, and market sentiment slightly improved, with major tokens showing signs of recovery. Shiba Inu coin likewise rebounded, showing gains in the last 24 hours as traders are still recovering from Tuesday's carnage, which saw overall capitalization drop by 10%. And at least $1.2 billion in losses on bullish wagers. The drop in the sentiment index, along with the recent large-scale liquidation event, suggested that assets were likely oversold and could see some respite in the very short term. I hope so, man. And at the time of writing, Shiba Inu coin was up 4% to 1431. Shiba Inu coin is currently sitting at 1426, so it's right around where it was when they were writing this article. Why is it important? The 206% surge in large holder inflows remains significant, having various implications for the cryptocurrency. A large holder inflow may indicate that considerable buying activity is taking place. This is the case because many of these addresses buy on centralized exchanges and subsequently transfer their purchases to cold storage. While this is generally the case, large holder addresses can also receive funds for business purposes and not for accumulation. Spikes in large holder inflows can also indicate price bottoms because these addresses prefer to buy in large quantities after major sell-offs, which is exactly what we are seeing. Guys, I don't know when the dip is going to be done dipping. If I knew where the absolute bottom was, even if I didn't know where the top was, if I knew where the absolute bottom was, we would all be millionaires. Okay, if I knew where the bottom was and the top was, we'd probably all be billionaires. But I don't know what the price is going to do next. Nobody knows. all we can do is base our information on what we're seeing. And we do know that if you buy when others are fearful and sell when others are greedy, you are essentially buying at the bottom and selling at the top. And right now, we have not seen a level of fear like we're seeing right now. A level of 26 fear on CoinStats. Guys, you have to go back to September of 2024. Level of 26 is the last time we saw this, in September of 2024. Right now, we're seeing the same thing. 29 yesterday, 26 fear today. Today's not graphed yet. But with that being said, I view this as an opportunity. With Bitcoin at 86,900 right now, I don't know if by the end of the day today it's going to be at 84, if it's going to be at 74, if it's going to be at 44. Highly doubt it's going to be at 44, right? But all I'm saying is I don't know where the price is going. I do know if I don't accumulate, I will not be able to take advantage of the gains when they come back. The overall meme coin market cap is getting hit as well. We could come out here and we could see that meme coins currently sitting over the last 24 hours have begun to bounce. But they're currently sitting at a level of $57 billion market cap, which over the last 30 days is a 43% decline. And you can still see that from the peak, where we were above $124 billion back in December, we've come down to $57 billion, more than a 50% decline in the overall meme coin market cap. Now, the good news is this level of $50-60 billion has been a very strong horizontal level of resistance in the past and can now hold up as a level of support moving forward. So, if you're looking for meme coins to accumulate, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu coin, Pepe, Official Trump, all of these tokens are available to purchase out on the KSEX centralized exchange, and you could do so with 0% maker and 0% taker fees if you're willing to trade on leverage. You could trade on up to 100x leverage as well, which means that if you buy on 100x leverage and the price rises just 1%, you double your money. If the price doubles, you 100x your money. So it is a very high risk, high reward type of deal. Of course, you can be liquidated if you get it wrong. Just understand that. And I guess look up leverage trading before you guys go out there and actually do any leverage trading if you're not familiar with it. Another meme coin that I've been accumulating recently is Bitcoin Bull. I still do believe that Bitcoin is going to lead this bull market, and I have been buying some Bitcoin as well, but I've also been buying some Bitcoin Bull. I understand that meme coins have that ridiculous exponential potential, which means that Bitcoin might rise 50, 80, 100%, but Bitcoin Bull could go up 5, 10, 15x in value. So I do have to diversify into some of these meme coins and still get rewarded in Bitcoin for holding it as well. Let me know what you guys are doing with it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.